main frustration. I hope that everybody knows it.
대문이부터 나도 죽으려니.
Have your two thumbs inserted inside here.
누셀레리 자주야 말해.
It shouldn't be your two palms or your hands should touch each other.
근데 지지야 말해.
Nor like that, your fingers interlaced with each other.
네 자 고가 못지 네 대문이 나도라 좋은데다 대문이야.
So that is mudra where you fold your hand and insert your two thumbs and push them inside your hand.
당 거기만 떠네 개요 말해. 알레 대문수 너 구술 숨도 무시 마셔. 너지 구술 숨이래.
So try to remember that the three kutsus were called three feasts, and this one is called Doji Kutu or the water feast.
조 구술 숨이래.
And that one is called Tokutsu, which means a feast of a wrathful one. Please watch the position of the thumb here.
디신시비 구술 숨이래.
And that is the mudra for the Tishinshiba Kutsu or the mudra of feast of the Tathagatas. Now please watch the position of the thumb again. It press on the first finger down.
다한테 자자치디 빼고를 제 주연 주배 자자 빼고를 모두 누구 세야 되나 말이 무저요나 뭐를 빼고를 송제 지니 송제냐 아감 세 자자 양주지 니 송제 빠디서서 노스도 그래
that is the how we do the backward, which means the backward, the circle of the lotus, and depending on the how lengthy is the mantra, we do it 3 times, and then if the mantra is long, then you need to do it kind of slowly to complete mantra while you do that the circle or the backward.
빼고를 송제도 너지 구슬이지.
So when you do the 3 backwards, you do the water feast.
어머사와다당가다 너무도 제니파.
The first start like that.
태문이 주 아마 태중이 예봐.
Start with your right hand from the little finger and up, gradually open up from your little finger.
예봐 태중이 주 요마 좁은이 아주 초디디에다 알아도.
And then with your left hand start from your first finger to your little one, and when you finish up, again you finish where it first started. So you finish the first circle. Now third round, then you more or less pull it towards yourself. Then start the actual offering itself. If it is argam, that's for the argam.
가실라 아감 부자본가 삼에다 바라나 사마야 시리 홍사용 되네 아감 부자 어디서 부자본가 삼에다 바라나 사마야 시리 홍수 배고 숨제 안도세네 시비다.
So in some, you will find the long mantra going along with it. In that case, while you say the rest of the mantra, you keep on doing your pakul or the circle of the lotus mudra.
아주 되게 맞죠. 배고 레지거든. 어머사와다당가다 아감 두체신디. 네 배고 누구지?
If you do not have the enough time or much of is that do not have the or unable to manage it, then we can just do one circle of the backward or the lotus circle. So the way Rinpoche did it.
고디 싱구 파데 파산 뇌제의 표야이나 오모사와다다가다 아감바데 차와소아도세 싱구 파데 고디 철라 파주어리
So,
이네 누우지 철라게 가르치고요리 가르치는 아감수도 표리래 바데 차순도 두두다 철라수 두샤버리
so now when first you start, you snap your finger towards in front of yourself. That is the time you generate the chola or the offering goddesses. And when you're through with offering, you do close it by snapping the finger towards your heart. This time, the finish or the conclusion of the offering, and you dissolve the offering goddesses back at your heart.
다야 다제의 처벌 표고나 랑사체 처벌 수표도이나 노스싱도 오모사와 있는다
That's how you do.
매자 요근에 있는다 가이는 하는 거 싱도 집 카파데 철파주 수대야 되게 처벌 수표에 그래
So
천전제
this is how you do in the case of the self-generation. That is to make an offering to the oneself appearing in the form of the deity. That one finger, right hand, you snap towards outside, towards in front of yourself, and left hand, you snap your finger towards yourself. That's a symbolic for making the offering for yourself appearing in the form of the deity.
다 처벌 마표 공라 치제를 있는 저도 태무자고 그래 다지tim에 영외 마지 여쳐초니다 나게 되면 뭐라 이내다라 가리 오마 아리 저거를 스가라 아라감 버드상소 다지tim에 영외 마지 쇼시 초니다 나게 되면 뭐라 이내다라 가리지 오마 아리 저거를 스가 아디야 버드상소 드레스야 표야 태무자 아니 배고지지 차제제
So, as you notice that before each of the offering, if there's a line which precedes it, and while you say that verse, you fold your hand, Temuja, you fold your hands, and then when you start actually saying the mantra, then you do the circle of the lotus or the backward and make the offering with the mudra. That's for the choyo or the water. You make the offering for the water for the bath. So that's for the padim or for water for the feet, where you lower your left hand down and then raise your right hand up as you notice it earlier.
Enzamana sudundu usyore.
Enzamana. That's for so that's for the enzamana, for the rinsing mouth and so on. So you notice it how it is done.
Purshana syadela dus torre. Chudmala chikchune chud trimashimodo chutramuro dozo jende. Tawayudi doya yuma tisode. Purshana sud chuyoga neonalaji kushage longne. Dus kuzule dorgi kure. San Purshana sa umari do Purshana badizan so has
Purshana. That is Pyana. That's the sprinkling the water, like for instance with the kusha grass, like when it is hot outside, to sprinkle the water on the body for as cooling agent, and that's as if we were sprinkling the water towards that whoever you make the offering.
Tajingo dosho kodu tinze pirchiti be melezo tishin shono shinto lutrashi yere jeven da venze bacho oba ngobi mejen chudumar pele medo chimon zenze debe de la chaba mandru de shingo bana jeba jebe nijo lamo de vecho on baza pibe badza ahun samado harimbu yomare on baza pibe badza ah pibe chache chodere danaje on baza dube ahun sa duba ne dere.
So
Taligo, Pubasade, Pubasan, Rechiad, Caresana, Medo with her on the Medolian Torre, Medo.
So that's the mudra for the taking of the flower and offering it. That's mudra for the taking of the flower and offering it to the to the deities.
그래서 아
So this is for the in the Kajume Kingo to
그렇은 돼야 들어와. 뭐야? 너방에 들어야 돼. 알아마 쳐봐도 초진지 치다래. dondayanika wasune chöbö phüdö lame kichesho tanamazu lame la chöbö hamu cha shiyore cheda cha womani ki medo ge ne keyu tamani ki tene medo chunu dogre cheda beza bübe badza soasen beninde ran chijiyo mare hinga kazu chego chela hinga ne tu ya
so don't make your hand too high that when you make the offering you just offer from the level of your heart but don't stretch your arms too high. Just make it close to your heart and then they sprinkle. And like in the Lama or Ma under the Yoga Tantra, that the offering goddesses, they have 4 hands. So first 2 hands are those goddesses are holding the basket, the flower, and last 2 hands they pull the flower and they offer it.
cha jiyo in the cha womani ge bu lu sa me ne de kyo bu me zha dong sa bu bu me lu ya de cha da ma ni ge bu zang ken lu su ma me zha dong yo.
So as you notice that with that's for the dubam and that's 2 low hands they hold the fire for the incense and 2 upper hands now they pour down the incense materials into the fire to produce the smell.
Da aluke sa de ne bam sa ma me de ni yor no se la aluke si na no se yor.
That's for the aloke or there's 2 different mantras for that.
Aluke sa no se de chumi de yang la de bu ani lo de bu no bu ge de bu na gu me ba be no ba se thwa ge
So any offering of the light, for instance, either it could be a gem which has the light and also candlelight, or the light bulbs and so on, anything which dispels the darkness. That's the mudra.
That the Jamashimbu Jig Togala Juni, the Juja, the any Jamashimbu cutting a jimbri. So that's
for Gende, for the smelling of good perfume at the heart.
Laba womani ge dong chuge dongga ge dong shun do de ne chena trimushim bu do cha damani tena ju ne togale nu juguyo.
So there's the 2 lower hands they are holding that in a conch shell of good perfume and so on, and 2 upper hands they are the smearing the scent at the heart.
Ta nevide se de la shezere buta dizin buta tini bechi se shele chya shindo da rogi chira kan phune chogre nevide se chaja de la. So that's
mudra for the nivite. The first 2 first fingers you pull in a little bit, and you notice the position of thumb and first 2 fingers. That's for nivite or the edibles.
Then shabda sa the rumor rura. Then tribu unit amor unit tribu chaja chigi shabda snooze jore. So
that's for the mudra for the shabda, and if you are bell or damuru, you use it when you say this mantra, and that's for the shabda. That's mudra, hand mudra you do when you say the shabda.
That chaja chidinde subju de go mari chaja nire bambu di chishandire. Sanlu tonga le toga ne chebe samu ba mamu tru ni be che pube go jata tongcha halambe nakha kong de bu su gu ru tu ti ju ba chu me do po me do ge nakha kong de bu de be du de la ri de bu de me to pa no tsu ba cha de yan do bu ge che bu ge do de ge be je na de tra sta de zu ni nakha kong du yan do o de ge fu ju de che be ha mo ge pyo me ba che de da nyan de la pyo cha ja de bu cha ja sam che ba re so zu la ba de nyan no nya ma re.
So mudra here you do because or when you do the mudra you don't have to be really don't try not to make it like a kind that not too excuse me that not too conspicuous in a way, you know, just move it too high and low and so on. Just make it very of a bumble, which means that quite looking just and actually when you make the offering, that try to think that you all the deities, offering goddesses, they make innumerable number. They make the offering of the sounds and all the implements, the bells and so on, making offering of the sound to all the whoever you offer to the deities. But when you make the actual and when you do it like in the form of mudra. But in the visualization, those offering goddesses make the offering. But when you do it, make it quite a reasonable movement, not too unreasonable.
That's all. That remote juru manzu tu seju jeba phudu choba de de shegi. Remote juru la homba za ali da mo phujung sunzi ye zhuo yi ji bu lang su ro ji lu dang ga la ge hombo zhuo la me ju de da tian ge ba de ju da ya wo yo de. Na gong ji ga ji choba sa mo bi wa ning bo ga dong zang me da nie zai yi na ye ga de ji ran jian choba zhe ji da chu ji 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 de chao na za du su homba za wei ni hong pe.
So this is called Ringmachudu, offering of the 16 rigmas. That's for the veeni. That's for our violin. So that's the how you pull the string by holding the handle, you know. So that's the mood for that. Next is the flute. That's for flute. That's for a flute for. So that's for the drum, which they use holding. You keep your drum on your with the handle pulled around your neck, and then you beat the drum from two sides. There's the mudra for that. So that's the mudra you do with it.
That's
the zanga, a kind of drum which is on one side, and you place it right in front, and you beat with the stick, right? That's the mudra for that, for the zanga. So don't make it again. So those are four, and when you beat the drum, you can you don't have to do it repeat too many times. Just about 3 is right, and also you start with your left one first. That's for the hasya. Baby Gamu Chubachen, Sogition, and the Sepu.
Tam bezal asiye hu besudi doji kusur de kebal te mare. Ben nire ran chego mare da az cheni diuri chaja chedi injo lam kono be kebal do ski ba kebal juk tsuru cheni desbe lige namjur gibe be nanjur lam de diuri chaja chedi bezal hasiye hu be on bezal asiye hu be.
There's elegance or style offering of the first is more like smile. The second one is the slim and the elegance of one's movement, offering of elegance of one's movement of the goddesses.
On bezal girde hu be.
That's for the Kirti.
Tingsha yunga tingsha dong yunga tingsha garsiyo. Tingsha phaji dong suji dong yunga sa sung re.
That's the mudra for Tingsha. There's the two bells that they hit against each other and produce sound. And in Tibetan we call it Tingsha.
Bezal nerite hu be. No speguri chijure. Chaja laban kaya yomar thamula.
So that's the for the native, and they do not have any implements held by the goddesses, but there's the mudra. They just do the mudra.
Kurangwe gariche zugu ka gariche be garindu sukore chajari. Jezang azu laba garindu sia tujunde nyam toje begurje yajaz chendu gogore.
So that's more like doing a dance. A dance performed by that goddess, and the mudra of performing a dance.
Tam beza bube hu be meto tagi chibare. Beza dube hu be pure chibare.
Those are same. That's the flower and also incense.
Beza dipe hu be chumire.
There's dipe for the lamp. It's your choice either to show the thumb or the middle finger. Is either is all right. That's what as earlier, there's again offering of the scent at the heart. Those are four. Those are four for the form. Now there's more like a mirror, and the left hand face that is as a symbolic for the handle of the mirror. That's for the taste, as earlier, same as edible you offered. That's for offering the cloth. That's it for Damadadu or the reality source. So that these are the when you do the you just show that triangle and to the mudra by the offering goddesses, and when you generate the offering goddesses, again make an innumerable in number who makes the offering of those offerings. That if you failed to do the mudras, that does not make your the ritual incomplete. But if you could do it, that's wonderful. That's about the Rigmat Chudu or the 16 of Rigmat Chudu, 16 goddesses offering, and now they are the Yunga or the offering of the 5 essential objects. So 5 essential objects, offering of the 5 essential objects, the same as you do on the Siju offerings. Now that's for the form, and same as earlier when the rupa.
샤브담메지 홍홍 베스드 노스르 차자
That's,
라반이 도지티브 유니 트루지 신예 유니 트루 가르투고 트루주 동동치 라바 동바 이나니 노스르 샤담메지 한번 찾아지리
that's for the sound, and if you have the bell or damaru, then you can use them, and if you don't, you can just do the mudra as shown earlier.
아무메 겐데메지 지바리 토가를 줘야 제대로 겐데메지 홍홍 베 찾아 놓으시야
So that's the offering of the scent at the heart, and that's the mudra you do.
라사메지 타게 정주루가 라사탄 최반도영 녀정아가 라사 셰제 셰체 베지바 셰제기 좀 놓으시야
So that's again the offering for the shese, or the edible for the as a food, and that's same as you offer the taste earlier, or the taste, and in the sixth offering, also 8 offerings, you had nivedya. That all these 3 mudras are the same.
바샤메지 내려와 라사메지 다 바샤메지 홍베 나자레 되기 정주루가 나자 지바리 바샤메지 홍홍 베스
And now earlier one was for the rasa, and this is for the varsha.
다 나가가 창송아 다 들수라 두제 두다 제제바데 라리시 숨부도 표고래 너무 두들 제메시 주스다 어바로 다 주 군주 내내데 다
So that's
텐토요
for
말이
umbrella, offering of the umbrella.
알리 벽에 마샤바이자 시디제
So
다
since,
텐데 대부 지 시라요레 다 텐데 제메시 주스도 어바로 리신엔데네 도게지 나서 타고 무디 주 구유진 두지 쳐버자스 다 두기 찾아들라 아니 내지주래
this is for the umbrella. Since, that's for
맞아 저런 거 버자서
the umbrella,
저런 가서 누구 요리니 요 누구 요지
and that's
네 누구 뭐
that's-
빼 고생이 몇 그래 저 자제증에서 태무야 누구 손에 또 구서로 소용 되다가
so that's for
Krishna
umbrella,
Gaya
and
Mata Ingri.
left hand thumb is more like the handle, and the right hand thumb raising up is symbolic for the top of the umbrella.
다 되어를 제선 받에 니리 제선 받에 니세 카페 핀데 저부 임발라 파조 추조 파조 니네를 지레 파조 수조송 지송요 파지조 추조 들 사바ye 룽베 비자전 조베 쿠레
So the Genze and Patin. The Genze is the one you have on the pillar there.
저 두고 말이 저 사라고 말이
That's the.
네 파지조 추지조
It will have 3 curves. That's called Patin.
해먹고 이거 말
That's called Patin. That same thing which you have seen earlier with the 3 curves. That's called Patin in Tibetan. And you, after the umbrella, when we make the offering of it.
제제 바데니 부티 여기야 따사데 나체 도지레 여과 찔레 여과 찔도만 공부체 아니야 무슨 나체 도지 나체 식지 대관라 도지 찔레레 이버 제 수마도 맨케 도지 식지 어디지 얼마 다셔
So where they hang on a tachi, a crescent moon, and a water with the 3 spokes on the top.
나체 도지 내 수셔도 와
So there's one in the.
딜레르바 카페 팽부티체 팽부 올마 단딜바 이카르바 셀슬리 싱에도 딜레다 치다타니 젠제다 바데니 치고레
So
좋다
Gense or the Rikti banner and the Patin, which we Patin, they are same in they are same in their look.
지고래도 군이 체가리 어르신 예전에 소차 송거래무 지고래.
So only difference is that Jensen bears the picture of the three animals on its cloth.
팬지바 임발라 소차 송거래무 요는 제제 매나 바된 스그리 제가 표리 냥디 표 제제다 바된 mamuk 나카콘도 표리.
Jensen and Jensen or the Victory banner and the regular banner. Only difference is that with the Jensen you will have those three three signs of three animals, and one which has those three animals sign on them is named as Jensen, and which does not is called Patin. And when you make the offering of the same, you do it at the same time.
다 도지저 냐미요. 와샤 라바 동바치체요.
So you don't do it with your bell and water in hand, but you do it with the empty hand, the mudra, just.
알리 담보 두고 제주면 되게 차이마 좀 세즈도 봐서 내가 사장가
So
봐도
that's umbrella as we did all year.
다 장신디베르 셴 요한에서 요한들 셴보 야부치제 나체 도지를 셴스무지 뜻을한다 어 제가도 도지다 셴스무서 도지기 주고 된데라
So that's defining the
도지기 때와 되는
handle
rum부치
of the
노부 마부치
banner.
차제요
and at the center of the that water, it has inlaid or decorated with a red gem.
셴스무지 다르치 숨발롱 그겨바나 세세슈 저 자주 다르치 숨으래 하바 그겨바고디 슬슬슬슬슬 이거만 보여서 자주 그래
So right now, they explaining about the words where it says that when it is moved by the sound, giving the sound of the lots of the anklets and so on.
송구 쇼그 인징다 그러는 사박이 지어서 파고 수고 파고 쿠 숭유에 계셔요 송구
Sunku making three curves when the wind blows it. They're making three curves.
집에 소차 세마 유명해지면 저지어지는 받은 수도 됐을라 소차 송거래면 도나 연세 면도도 받으래 니가 그쳐 그래 유명 니자로
So we make the offering of the both of those banners, the one which depicts the sign of three animals, which is named as Gelsen, and one without one as Patin. But when we make the offering, we make of both.
집에 소차 세마 유명지 메도 쇼지 집에서 라제 받은 나지 쇼바지 온베자께도 늘지 그래 바당게 받은 상황서 하는 지 그래
So that's
메자께도
and the
바당게 받은 상황서 와
that's the mudra for making the offering of those with the banner and the banner.
다 라리텔라
Now it's for the canopy.
다게 샴부도 붙여인데 동토로 티샤벨라리 이마리 쳐서 찾아낼 하버리
It is
온베자
circle.
메다나 받으서 라리기 찾아내고 있어
So that's the mudra for the canopy. Now it has a circle of the different color or the remnants.
다 숭차숭아
So that
다 제세 나든데요
now remaining are the Geset Nadun, or those 7 items of the royal king.
제세 나든라 콜로 노보 조모 뇽보 랑보 따초 마베 세네레 신다스네 다 너린디 신다레 느리 너무 콜로텔라 온베자 자르 나 받으자서 느레지 그래
That's for the kolo or the wheel, the out of those Geset Nadun, the first one.
중고 나라 콜로 느레지 그래
In Kala Chakra, that is for the wheel, it differs slightly in mudra.
셴한서 nenjo마다 딤조다 강갈 자르는 누지 그래
Whereas in Neljoma and Dejo, for the subtly mudra is that.
콜론도 누가 콜리집 콜리티와
So those the four fingers, they resemble the tip or the spokes, and the thumb resembles or the symbolic for the center or the navel of the chakra.
다 노부래.
Next
노부
is the gem or nobu.
맞아 마늘이나 바디자 소아딜라 저저 때문에 체지요리. 지기 느레지요리.
So it differs for gem. It differs a little bit between the upper and lower tantra. One does that way.
느레지데 노부미 숭데지레도 숭중데지.
So in a way, you find that it has three eyes. Now
먼저야 주도리 봐. 주도가 느레지그리.
so since I am from Judo Tantric College, now we do in that way.
내미 숭레 단지 버리.
So it has again three eyes.
노부지. 다 좀무래. 좀부야 될라 좀무. 느레지그리.
That's for the queen. That's the mudra for the queen. Please watch. Your first finger
맞아들이나 바디자
push
소아.
against your middle finger.
죄송아.
I hope you got it.
령부 될라 대리선이 초만부 초사초라 령부 루수디 초바수디 령부라 느리지고
So that is for the lumbu or the minister. Now, especially in large gatherings, we have a way of doing it in that
다시게
manner.
누지고
Some just close them up.
디레도스 마노 마디버 노리리
I think that's a little mistake to close them up.
아나살라마스기 티야게 티주지다 디선 시주도 나주 뉴뉴 소디 디레지그레
So now the way we are taught by our former lamas and the way we do it during our Seju offerings and so on, we do it in that way.
페차나라 니시오레 템 페션 넘발이 고문이지데스 고문디레와 대중 산라 고문 조모 대전서부로와 페션 넘발 고문이지데
In text it says that to meet your kumu or the middle fingers.
다 타마지 링세요 타마지세야데 고주 타마진데를 질 고자레
So it says last four close. So they understood last four, the last, the index, so ring finger and little finger.
초 초치무 초사 다사 주바주와 초치사서 배지딘데
So in the big gatherings, most of the time they do prefer to do it in that mudra, in that fashion.
다 라마 넘버 2 티야다 페샤나라 맹아루체 페샤나레 요레 데라 고문이지데 되제
So whereas the way lamas taught and the also in the text, as it says to meet the two middle fingers, you meet the middle fingers together. Now the four remaining ones, as it says in the text, are.
타마지데 마츠베 타마니니레
So when it says the four last fingers, the last two, that's two at bottom end,
메네 야즈네 타마니니레
and the last two starting from the bottom and up, that being the two thumbs, then stretch them out.
다디 야부요레 니랑레
So that's
나도 니레 이나니 고무찌제 타마지딩 쓰고 말이 아니 고무다 세라 대중송 찌제스전 니르바
so if that were the right mudra, then they did not need to say that last four should be pulled out, but they simply just could say that pull out the last three fingers down, last six or last.
다 랑부르 부신 랑젠르바 랑부르 부신 내지그레
Now that's for the elephant, Langbo Rinpoche.
랑젠르 부지도 어디 나고 부시 암조제도 랑부르 부지어 니 내샤고
The middle finger is supposed to be the trunk, and the thumb and last finger is supposed to be the ear, and your elbow placed right in your left palm.
다 따르바 다쇼르 부시
Now next is the precious horse,
하드리나 니데레
Atrina. and that is the mudra.
딱이 칼이
And
암조리.
that's supposed to be the opening between the last finger and middle finger. That's the mouth of the horse, and the two thumbs are for the ear of the horse. So that's it.
너니 양해를 공샤고 누스. 주주디 야느
So
누스하고
yeah, close your two fingers, and then meet your the two ring fingers at the top.
다츠디제
And then of the middle finger, you meet with
디츠제
meet them,
야누제
and then pull the two thumbs close to each other,
너니 수담
and then to have your first two fingers close in.
같이 다 암조지.
So now, thus it makes the mouth and the that's the two ear. The thumb are symbolic for the ear. So I think I'm doing wrong.
큰일이 시대샤. 대중이야 다래 지지다. 누스. 어야 다니 제제 버와 단디 지제. 아야 누지다. 단디 수담다. 야 강간 독시 마샤. 대중이 야 고산 생라니 지제네. 다 고문이 지제. 누스제. 단디 수담. 안 가르소. 안 조레소.
So that's the if you pull in your two last fingers in, cross them inside, and then touch the tip of your ring finger and middle finger, and stretch them out, and then pull them apart between the ring finger and the middle finger. Then that makes it like a mouth. And then pull out your two thumbs as a symbolic for the two ears. That's for the precious horse.
다 다지. 제자나데 친다르 무충아주 베샤 근데 나를 표디 치주나라 친다르. 친다에는 나가주기 찾아놓지.
So now for Kimda, or the head of the family, now in the Yogi, Vajrayogini, there's Kimda, or the head of the family we offer. Now this mudra is called the Nangatula Ngani, which means that
어디에 놓지.
that having a being in full possession of the space treasure.
제세단들로 항상 친다르 정정 마부르.
So in Geset Nadun, on offering of these seven precious substance, that sometimes it is the royal commander, and sometimes it is the Kimda, or the head of the family.
주저라면 쳐봤다. 내주면다 주고도 친다지 누스 dum바딘데 겨바들나 바다.
So usually with Lama Chöpa and the Naljoma, this is the Kimda, the mudra for Kimda, or the head of the family. You raise your hand up,
야, 지제다라 마변 패시리 마 지제라이 친다 치지바지 표그래요. 가가지 마변 표그. 마변이는 캥가르나 데다서인데.
So if you were to choose to offer the Makbuna, the royal commander, then that's the mudra.
캥가스들이지.
Kanga meant sword.
지단 제세 나들라 친다다 마변이자 마변 요야다다 친다요 junzen yore, tu kesha mangu shejo, jasa nade uyone, tu teri shejo yungu maare. Ali chana tu chaja di tu se, ndoba di shen su ne, mangu ba na jusa diba ya, tanda riba diba chi na, jasa nade kesha tu sebu she chukre.
So there's a reason that why we, in some places like Amitabh, we make offering of the royal commander, and in some we choose to make offering of the Kimda, or the head of the family. There's reasons behind it, but we won't have time to go over them here, but we did the mudras.
다 알리 찾아진데 진짜 너무 너무 고도 찾아대 랑도 지그레티 표야도 저거 저라 몸부터는 두글라마이다 가봐 세다면 표니 배 저라 저라 나가나 슈마 슈르고 mambu phaju mambu subu kajayi nebe mambu tushi sunasa chigure sanlo mambu tongure chi chi go gri ma.
So when we make the offering, when we make the offering, though we do the single mudra, but mentally we should try to think that we multiply innumerable number of the offering goddesses that fill in the entire space itself and make the offering to whichever object we're trying to offer at that time.
Naka gong phaju phu chai da ga chu do yang chang sa agam ba din bu be do ba alugin gende nyang de shada ba de zang so delen de yoro de ga phaju chu ma thu ne chola dele tu agam ba di chola gong go ba phu gang ga cha so ne chola dang ga je yo be ba tu me 수 냥디 두샤 너무 반냥디 주 가시게 저 아감 가시면 셔지메도 두두 표현이 수두두 저가 그러면 냥디 두샤는 주요.
So in case you choose to make the old offerings or just at one time, then you you emanate the old offering goddesses holding all those different items, and then you offer them all in a row in a one mudra, one after another, consecutively, and then the whatever offering goddesses, they make offering, and they whatever you are offering along that time, and then when you dissolve them back, you do them all at one time, and you generate at one time, and dissolve them back at the end, every one of them back at the heart.
Oma ahun hahuri sianu akajumana. Oma ahun hahuri sidia.
This ahun hahuri. This is the mantra. You sure that? So with the sliver letter on the palm of this hand, now light generated from it blesses the offering. You show your right hand. Watch the position of thumb, and now I is in the center of that palm and. So when you say hung, you show the palm of both of your hands. Now visualize the sliver letter between the two thumbs. That's the ahung. When you do it fast, that's how you do it. Ahung.
Ahung yigisung onge waze chunu ko naga nijun suba teacher. Aga duzung wala chulu.
So purifies the.
Da jangdo ba sumi baru che susu she mugudu ya ayishu ya. Desonja. Ha ho re seduzana nir chaja nire yang.
And that's the again purifying and transforming and increase. And now those ha-ho-ri, that's mudra for the ha-ho-ri. We also call it the mudra of the Chachung or the Garuda. So we just show the mudra, but there is no specified mikvah or the visualization mentioned here.
자잔데 많이 받자니 이게 오마 아훈 소아세야다 오마 아훈 하후리세야든 더마드도 미바니 요리 다 이네 미바마 무투고 말에 데레버 고디 피그 거리네 노초디 인드라 부바 또마 인드라 데베 장도 바숨 체데 두스 삼지미자 와죠 조소 삼바르 체샤디요.
So there are lots of visualizations to go with it, but main thing is like whether you're trying to purify the inner offering or the dharma on the altar, that you have to visualize through the power of the Jangdo Barsum or the purification, cleansing, transformation and increase. And
다 참면주 리면주
I hope it is enough, is it?
알리 세지동야기 찾아들이 인주
So this is the mudras for the Seju offerings.
세지 저가 제바 동는 너버들 순도 그래
And when you say the long Seju practice or Seju, the prayers I said here, those you will find in that text. Long Seju practice.
게디 벽에 돌려 인상 돌려져 따텐데 벽에 제 텐데고 인상 주주 벽에 마신데 벽에 이질 파 주저 돈다 셴나 담아주네 구상도 쪽으로 간다
So now since you have to recite the prayer in Tibetan, and as you have problem with the language, but if you have the translation, access to the translation, then just think about the translation and its meaning while you do the practice.
jen dembe tatsul hne dembe lama chwcha tonsa tabe jid chike yoken yabu chuna tele la ba mi da gi ni yabu yore te man jura aju nyegi na mazu fa ton par ja ku je chore
So for the Lama Chupa practices and so on, that if you would invite or if you have the access to watch 4 monks to do it, that would be wonderful, and you just watch them do, and then you can learn from them. And if not, if you just let me know, I could send you the cassettes of Lama Chupa prayer.
nganzo nge shale lama chwa tong du nyu che de tabe shi jang az tong re mo ang tabe nga ju ju je tong re
At my place, at my home, that sometimes I do it with 4 or 5, and sometimes when I have large gathering, I have as many as 50 or 60, and we do it all together.
ta sang ya cho de nga zu da sang na la bu chun ju da du me ji ja la je re
In my
ane gyama
Tassang,
su gen de gre bu su ne ba ya bu shin gre de ta shen ro ma shen ro cho le nye du me ji ba yo re da cha shi ta yo re
so in my Tassang or the college, that we have about 400 monks, and when we do it all together, and all the senior monks, they have the prayer by heart, and they do it real well. And also the junior monks, they know the prayer, and so in a way, they do the prayer real well. They chant it real well.
ta ba ke ya bu yo ke ji she nga chu ji ge ka je me du she de dong la ma che ba dong xin nian de le ya wa xin nian de是他家人
So if you could have about 4 real good monks who have real good voice and who could chant well, and with a good the symbol as you see on the table over there, and that it sounds is not too great, and if you have really good symbol which makes a good sound, then you can make good recording.
yin ne xin de yin ju du chun ju re ko ba su ya wa ta chen du
But the singing or that symbol, that's real good, and in look, it's small and it looks very handy, it's compact.
ya le de do ke mo bu yo ni de
So in India, there are quite a few of them who use the same, and they also make.
an de ge nga zu de ba de ya de zhe ru na ju ni che ran zu ge de zu yi ji ge de ju da ju de ma ju che man de be go de la ma che de ma na je yi ji be sha la ta ro ga ge se che mo sha ru ji ba lo ji ju na ani ko ke zhe ru bu de do be shan de nya du su de nyam bu ma du su de de yi na da de ku ten ru re nya di ju chang shi ya bu yu se ro
So I think if you could get a recording of, for instance, like Lama Chöpa made in a cassette, and the whole prayer set in a row, And if you have the transliteration of the Tibetan prayer in English, then you can just have your prayer on your lap and then start the recording, start playing the recording, and chant with it. Then you can do it well. Otherwise, prayer doesn't come too well. And now, as for myself, I'm a little bit aged, and I have kind of, in a way, I've lost my voice. This is my. I think it's going to be good. So in Switzerland, we have a Lama named Lamda Rinpoche, and he does not know how to chant, actually. He is the one who has pledged to say the Gyachin Council, or the council practice for Gyachin, once a month. So he has lots, like with the using the drum and using cymbal and so on. Every one of them doing for him. So he went to India and got hold that practice and recorded in a tape recorder cassette. And he arranged the altar properly with the butter lamp and all. So the way he does the Dakang, or the monthly prayer, is that he then starts his tape recorder in front, and he has his text in front of him, and he reads along with the tape recorder, and have the offerings arranged on the altar. So that's how he does the prayer. So it looks like I'm telling a story, I think that's quite unnecessary, isn't it? So if there were more progression for the center, and also I think we should work on our prayers and the recitations.
Lama chöba, zhe zhe gu na jiu che, dong che, ni gang ga lo ge.